Yo, first of all, you have some teacher who busy enforce rule. Hold on, I wanna not teach. Yeah, you wanna dean a discipline, you too busy, brother, you too busy, fix up on yourself.
Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's Room. My name is Howard, and today we care about the guests. We care about the guests. We want to see them face already. Them don't introduce themselves, so I'm gonna introduce them again. Today, first of all, disclaimer. I tell you what school they used to go. They used to go at what school?
Kingston College, the Kings and Champs of the whole place full up to the brink of fun. Woman brave never shake nor shiver, always a deliver like a pizza man.
KC. So I don't really just do that now.
Yeah, we have the people have eaten dog
this
more.
This is so
fitting more, bro.
This is so fitting for the topic then, isn't it?
And guys, this is not like I'm not an affiliation with. I know this make. And I can't see
this is fully a Kingston College do-rag here, I like myself. This is fully a Kingston do-rag. Right now, I wear a small Crocs from the custom design from Kingston College. I show him can't show you right now.
Alright. This is so funny. Alright, so the topic is fitting because I can't see man them. Been asked the question, do you guys think the Jamaican school system hold back just students on a whole or limit them? So do you think the Jamaican school systems like just limit students, like put them in a box? Do you think we're not opening more doors or leaving more opportunities for the youths? Well, the school system are not open more doors or leave more opportunities to the youths based on just the sole factor of the rules them within the schools. I'm pretty sure it's like every school have some preposterous rules.
Yeah,
like
rules some make sense, dog, but some rules just don't make sense.
Yeah, some rules don't make sense. Yeah. I mean, it's gonna forever be debated about it here, like who can grow here. There's not gonna ever be a debate, cause I genuinely feel like that's a silly rule. Isn't what I say?
I got gay here, you can't grow it.
I just genuinely feel like that's a silly rule.
Like understand what them are saying is like them are try groom me for the future and like job and thing, but like.
You have jobs that accept with here.
Exactly. Second, and the next thing is that you're here don't stop you from learning.
None at all. And that's one of the main things why you go school for learning. You see me? So at the end of the day, as long as you complete the objective there, then fine.
Alright. Funny story. So you don't call him name, but school I used to go. You see me I say? Me ask ya go back to school September morning. My hair high, I'm gonna say, alright, cool, Mr. Cutty, low. Nah, do no style. But Askia say, yo, skip that, yeah, ball made, shine. So Askia go to school the September morning with him ear top shine like my forehead. I have the video. If I find the video, I'm gonna drop it in right now.
Be yourself.
You see what I say? Him ear shine. And the school call up Askia and say, him make a mockery of the school rules and if you go back in here. Them tell the man to trim themselves have low hair and this man bald him head and them say he make a mockery of the school rules and if you grow back him here because it's not acceptable. How that makes sense? How you gonna tell me?
Bro,
how when me have high hair you say cut me here and me bald me but not no hair?
Don't want to say extreme.
You say so really and truly I just feel like some of the rules where schools set up silly, bro. Like silly. For example, if me in a sixth form and me can't go to school when I time for my class. I had a class where I have class after lunch. I thought the last class of the day. And me have to be at school from 8 a.m. I sit down till my class after lunch.
Alright, in that case, you know, I kind of understand and students are to be blamed in a certain instances. You see like that now? You see if every man did make sure say them responsible and reach a school for the lunchtime there and don't take the time and do other things because something similar was at my school, you see me? So when me in a first form, sixth form man used to guard them yard. Them could have guard them yard. Them could have guard them yard as long as school done. Sixth form man could have cut when time school done for them. But man get themselves in a trouble. So the reason why them kinda incorporate some of them
protect us,
yeah, like some of them make sense because sometimes the rules they're beyond where we are look upon in a dog. You see me? Cause so if we did responsible and make sure say every man do what them for do, then it would have be fine.
Alright, that makes sense.
Alright, my school we could wear long sleeve in a sixth form, you see me? But me never see the reason why.
Was it ever an option though?
No.
Okay.
You see me? But I kind of understand when them explain it to me, them I say, them know some man go start broke up the sleeve and things. Just like when them say no fades at my school, you see me?
Yeah.
Man I go fade and every man I go have a different type of fade. You see me?
So
man
you know
come in
uniform.
with that.
Yeah, so you know
Yeah,
uniform.
so them kind of standardize the thing with certain rules, and that's why them just put one flat rule and done. Cause your fader go higher than the next man fader, and the next man fader go lower than yours.
So them just a no fade.
Them just a no.
What
fade.
about a man
You see
way
me?
of light complexion and
Ah.
he's Indian?
Yes, that's another thing. That one problem when I realize.
That
That
bro,
is blatantly a problem.
That is literally
You see me?
that is literally colorism.
Yeah, facts.
Literally
Facts.
colorism.
And then that engraved in our society too. You know, that
I
it
feel like
just-
that
it
them
just-
people they have not even just more opportunities, but they're allowed to get away with other things.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we put ourselves
Rules are bent for them.
exactly.
Yeah.
So we put ourselves under them because me they have a friend, close friend. I don't know him. The man they come to school with them here can slick back.
Mhm.
You get what I'm
And
saying?
that's some of the standard.
If me ever come to school with my ear can pinch, me here too high.
trouble. Yeah.
We can pitch.
You know,
If
say,
it can,
yo,
I mean, me brush me hair, go to
That's a-
school,
that's a
and
problem,
but
though.
just the fact say it can pinch me here too high.
that's our genuine problem. You see right now, if you Google and say, hairstyles for men, and
Yeah.
be a white, you see come up. You see me? With beer high fade and them thing the dog. So
Actual
I feel
facts.
like it's a larger problem than where we are pre in a Jamaican school system.
No man,
Like,
but you don't feel like
it's a
but you don't feel
major
like say
problem,
in a
dog.
predominantly black culture, because clearly Jamaica is a melting pot of everybody there.
Yeah.
But in a predominantly black culture, you don't feel like some of the rules supposed to not only like it just simply facilitates like how we're crazy. It's supposed to just simply
Alphabet.
facilitate our just way of life, because we not have permed here. We know that not grow out our head.
Yeah, facts.
You get what I'm saying?
Facts.
That not grow out our head. But when at school and girls can testify, so them have different things. And guys, comment down below if you've ever had like faced any injustice at school because of just your natural state.
Yeah.
Girls in my school could have come to school with them long hair and it out. You get what I'm saying?
Mm.
But if a girl have kinky hair and it nice,
Afro problem.
problem.
Dog.
They hear say here unkept.
Yeah.
They hear say here look like.
Dog.
Which teacher did bright?
No,
One
call-
teacher, not call
call
her
her
name.
name.
Call her name. One teacher did bright until one girl say our hair look like birdness.
The Jano, yes, I them thing I may talk about.
That is a no.
Right, I think it's a greater problem than just the school system. You see, because Jamaican people still find themselves, dog. We don't understand what is like what our identity it reflecting on the school system. Because what wrong with a girl? Matter how you embrace a girl with the Afro pan Jamaican pageant thing, but you have a problem with it there in school. When
Facts.
Davina Bennett have her Afro,
Facts.
the whole
And
crowd
it's
around
beautiful.
for
And
her. It's beautiful.
You
You understand me?
beautiful.
But why is
It's
it a problem
beautiful.
in the school system? Like, I don't think I'm a pre, bro. Why is it a problem in the school system?
Even though the question asked about Jamaican schools, and that's what I just pre-say is a problem. Is a problem around the world where black people themselves even not accept themselves because society tells
Exactly.
them say them here
Yeah.
not look like
Yeah, isn't it?
certain people.
But
isn't
no,
it?
but my thing is that, as I said before, Jamaica is a predominantly black country. Isn't what I say?
Yeah, yeah.
Why we are allow ourselves to go by
White ideologies, dog.
the societal norms of countries where bare white people.
Yeah.
First of all,
black people,
Because
yeah.
of
First
them
of all,
determine
Jamaica
what is beauty.
Eurocentric, bro.
Yo, wait, doesn't make sense, you know? Them we use them for determine what is beauty.
Yeah, I that him say the Eurocentrism, dog.
That's facts, you know?
Even down to the laws, them Eurocentric, bro.
Makes you see me
Don't
like
do
it
it.
doesn't make sense.
you have so
dog.
many things where me can't even pin it on the school for real.
So that
Exactly.
means that it's
You can't
greater.
put- you
It's
can't
greater
put it on
than
the
the
school
school
for real.
because it's a reflection of the culture. It's a reflection of the forces where affect the school or influence the school.
Certain rules. Do you think certain rules that the school implemented towards the students' learning are just genuinely for the school brand?
For the brand.
We don't
Brand.
feel like I've been learning
I know,
Brand.
because them say, oh, you come to school for learn
Every school
everything.
care about the image and what they look
Yeah,
like. For
yeah,
example, certain girls' schools them can't wear braids and thing, and certain girls' schools I do it.
Am I school?
And me realize that the school them wear the braid and something. And them are the high performance.
Because it doesn't
performing
matter.
co-
Because it
school
doesn't
them.
matter.
Exactly.
You have
It doesn't
some-
matter.
You have some school that more relaxed, dog. You see me?
I wonder if them know. I wonder if some of my school them realize that, like when them allow students to be themselves, it help boost them moral compass within the school and help them to perform.
Bro, if you make me feel like
overall.
say, yo, me not restricted or like me not fi rigid and conform to every rule, I'm going to perform at
And a
school.
lot of times you're busy
Me
focused
not-
on rules and
Me not go on
not
school
and can't
class.
focus.
Me not go on school class.
Yeah, cause you have a one bad fade and
Me not go on school
you know
class.
say if you go to Spanish class, sir, I go report your class, sir, like report it that.
Enough man no go to school because they have faith, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me have a friend, brother, me have a friend, you see me? Them man they come to school with high faith. And it's because I last month at school teacher tell him say, oh God, man just not come back to school, dog. Man just not come back to school. So I just feel like say a lot of the rules really and truly, it's more towards the branding of the school and it not assist the students at all. Like, because how that affect you learning? How that affect
You see?
how much things you grasp and stuff?
Yeah, like I say, in terms of case, you know, like majority of them rules, like them have explanations as to why. Because like the long sleeve thing, we did well one the long sleeve thing, because we feel like we look neat, you know, we uniform and really. And like them explaining say, them bet say if they give you a week for wear long sleeve, by lunchtime, because remember say it's a tropical climate, by lunchtime man, I'm going to break up the sleeve and say they're hot. And then no one, the man do that. Isn't me? Because the man can't walk around with their sleeve broke up, and not going to look good.
Alright, at my school, I'm going to tell you one rule, but never make no sense. And we'll probably chuckle. We're supposed to have only 3 different color watch. And if not, they're not accepted at school.
Yeah, we have that too, man.
But it is ridiculous.
We have that. You can't wear no big silver watch and no big gold watch.
No, and you can't wear no other color sweater.
You have to have leather.
So
leather
we
band
could
watch.
wear sweater. We have to take off our sweater.
No man, at full school, one girl, I don't know if I think she was anemic. I don't remember what she did have. But I don't know if anemia, but like she had a condition, so like she got chilly really easily. And one December, like 2 years back, I studied well cool. I might tell her like well cool, and the girl coming out sweater, I should take that off.
You see, things are alright. Remember tell you,
What a ridiculous
Jamaica,
girl.
The girl,
like,
they get
Jamaica.
to a point where
She had a medical condition.
Rules, let me tell you, rules no mean say you can't find an alternative here. Like that's one thing I want Jamaican society to understand. So if them say no 7 on the table, it no mean say if you put it on it one day or make a way for you go on the table, the world will go end. It no mean so. So at the time we can ease up, brother.
The teacher them
Relax.
relax and ease up.
Yo, first of all, you have some teacher who busy to enforce rule. Hold on, and you not teach. You hear? You know dean of discipline. You too busy, brother. You too busy fix up on yourself.
Yo, brother, that's a fact. You know, one teacher will have a class for one picnic or vice principal.
Like
the whole class. Nobody don't learn nothing. For
Yeah,
one
police.
picnic, one
Share
picnic,
police. Share police.
For one picnic or vice principal, the teacher left a whole class.
And everybody else at risk now. Like say you risk everybody of learning the day's lesson,
bro,
because you implement one rule because of one person.
Bro,
You're done.
One teacher said, "No, you got the vice principal." Isn't me? And she said she feel like he wasn't a vice principal. And she left a whole class.
She
Because she don't feel like man. She left man and walk go down there. You see what I say? Certain rules don't make no sense, and just feel like say on a whole, there's a school system well done with certain things.
I think some people don't understand the intention of the rule as well.
True.
So the rule might be there, you know.
True.
But I'm tell you, first of all, remember everyone has
No,
an interpretation of the
are
rule.
you speaking on like the enforcers don't understand the rules, or just
Enforcers? Let me tell you first, generally, and some of the enforcers as well.
Yeah.
Because some, a rule can be made saying, all right, no fade, but what the level of the fade where them did that talk. So rules need to be specific sometimes. You understand? You need to make people understand what really is.
If you came to my school, you could have a fade and about the party. But me can't have fade. One level. Me ask you to flip on one level. So I'm well black, I'm jet black. So like, but
black too,
no man, and they hear texture difference.
Yeah.
So they might go say, oh, they might go pass you with like, a little fade. And then my other friend Alex could have high hair, and my hair if it pass one level of problem. If it pass, that's why I ask you them to start wave. You see me? Because then tell them saying you can't wear ball. So alright, what we say we can work with them. Just wave.
No. Alright, the question, repeat the question.
Can't work with ball.
We mostly are focused on the school rules them and
no, that's what the question was. Does the Jamaican school system hold on the children?
You know, I'm nothing for the video. I'm matter of fact. Like some of the rules them just need, brother. The rules them style for whole heap of people, dog.
Alright. While I understand saying they want you want them want like some form of unity and just for it to look uniform. You get what I say?
Uniformity.
Uniformity. Some of them no make no sense. Like some of them genuinely no make no sense. Like some of them we can't see how it assists the students with going forward in life, or it assist them in passing them CXCs, which is the bare minimum.
A certain all boys school in Jamaica, them could have wear a part in them head. We are praying that I hear and part and I say, Jano.
That is a holiday hairstyle for
exactly,
me.
do them not.
That is a holiday
Summer
hairstyle.
vacation.
The man they are you just like we right now.
We're the same place.
Yeah, they're the same place. None of them are dead because of the hairstyle. Like, I don't understand.
So, none of them take up young violence.
Despite the rules though, we have to see why the rules come into place. Cause if we go back to sociology again, remember there are different instruments of socialization. Such as
facts.
the school is one, the church is one,
Facts.
home and family is one.
Facts.
You see me? And the school play a major role in how society is socialized, as in them tell us say when you go up on a job interview, a school learn them thing, you know.
Yeah.
When you go up on a job interview, you're supposed to groom
Sometimes
yourself,
church,
and church as well. When you go up on a job interview, you're supposed to groom yourself. You're supposed to wear certain type shoes. You know, you're not supposed to dress a certain way when you go up on a
All
job
me
thing.
can't go get no job, cause as me tell them, me not trim from last year March.
It's too liberal for
Me
this.
no too liberal. Me can't get no job.
Too liberal for
And
this.
I mean,
So, like-
I do understand that, you know, society and every business place have them rules. But at the same time, like, what would I say? We just feel like, say, if, alright, the school system, if there's a rule for everybody.
Yeah.
Because really and truly, it not benefit us if we feel like, say, someone can get over it.
It's a drama theory.
We just feel like it's ridiculous. Because if me and you have the same rule for the school, but one man can get over it while the other man stifled by it, we just feel like the rule is ridiculous. Because why the sense to enforce a rule, yes, still some people can get over it. I know, like, that means that the rule is important
I
in the first.
guess it's coming from the notion say it better you control some than left everybody for be free
Control the
and radical.
majority.
Yeah, you see it's control the majority.
Oh my
And
God.
and a few anomalies get suspension, expulsion, and just always no problem with the school rules.
But some not get touched.
Yeah, that's true.
And well, even though in a general sense, most of the school, not say most, some of the school rules them don't really make no sense. You have to remember, say they can always slap you with this, you know. And I beg them, I beg you to come to school. You can always find another school where
Unless it's
to the
sixth
rules
form.
where you want.
Unless it's sixth
You see
form.
me?
Because schools
Exactly,
really
as him say, a certain all-boys school can wear a part eye ear. If that you want, we could have left Casey and got a school there.
Facts.
You see me?
Facts.
They never tell us say you have to
Facts.
stay in a KC.
True.
If you have school there, they were taking a uniform tight and the student and them allow the students them to
True,
come.
true.
We could have left KC and go there some.
Alright, so the general consensus is that while some of the rules ridiculous, is either you stick to it or you left the place.
Yes. And I saw job and society stay.
Yeah,
Every
me.
place have them rules.
Yeah,
It's either you stick to it or you
Either they
move.
stick to it or you left the place.
First thing you job, the boss will tell us, say, yo, this is how you want in place run. And if you can't run in place like this,
You live
have to
up.
find a
Yeah,
next
You
job.
live up, find
And
another place.
I believe that at the end of the day, that's what the school system that try to show we. So even though you have rules out there when the ball make no sense,
Yeah.
they might tell us say when they reach out into the working world, I remember you know, it's an instrument of socialization, you know. It's a teacher for when they become an adult and reach out in society. Rules are going there everywhere. Whether they make sense or not.
I mean-
and either you conform or you move.
For real,
Love
the
the last
yes, I
time,
mean,
love
some
the
of the
last
rules
time, love the last time.
shape the things still, shape how people do things and teach you for real, but you just have to know how to deal with the situation.
So I guess with wrapping up, it just go for sure say, not all the rules of life are gonna make sense. However, you have a choice.
Facts.
Yeah.
So you can either conform to the rules or you go somewhere else. And being honest, life no fear. Some of the rule them not go fear
Yeah,
either. Like some of the rule them
true.
not go fear
And them say
either.
donkey said the world on level.
Ask yourself some like donkey said the word on a level, and I just eat that. And
So
sometimes
let
I
me
just
ask you a serious question. You would hear the donkey say,
alright. With that being said, don't forget to like.
Hold on. When you hear donkey say out a female, say, where do you get that from? Where do you get that from?
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. We gone.
Yeah, man.